Here's a special weather statement. High fire danger conditions expected this afternoon. According to local forestry agencies and the U.S. Forest Service, recent dry conditions have made outdoor burning increasingly hazardous. Conditions are such that a spark from equipment, the heat from a catalytic converter, or any heat source could start a grass or brush fire. The combination of dry fine fuels, such as grass, warm conditions, gusty winds and low relative humidity have resulted in continued fire danger across the region. Fire danger is highest in areas that have not received substantial rainfall over the last several days. Minimum relative humidity values will range from 20 to near 30% today, along with gusty southwest winds. Winds sustained around 10 to 15 miles per hour today, with higher gusts near 20 miles per hour, will create high fire danger given the dry conditions. The combination of low humidity and higher wind gusts will especially occur in southeast Arkansas, northeast Louisiana, and portions of northwest Mississippi. However, high fire danger conditions will be possible across the entire area today. Several parishes in northeast Louisiana and several counties in southeast Arkansas are under local burn bans at the present time. Fires place local forestry agencies, fire departments, and other fire control agencies in life-threatening situations and can endanger communities. Please use caution and help prevent forest and grass fires. Making a difference when it matters.